After the consecration ceremony of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya on January 22nd, both the BJP and Congress seem to have strategized to seek votes in the upcoming elections in the name of Lord Ram. The Karnataka government has allocated 100 crore rupees for the maintenance of ancient Ram temples across the state and a further 100 crore rupees for constructing residential complexes in Ayodhya. This has led to a political stir in Karnataka. The BJP alleges that the Congress aims to utilize Lord Ram's influence to gain support among Hindu voters and question the Congress government's ability to win elections based on the guarantees. Interestingly, on the day when Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Ayodhya Ram Temple, Chief Minister Siddharamaiah inaugurated a Ram Temple in Bengaluru. It seems like the Karnataka Congress has also started seeking votes in the name of Lord Ram ahead of the Lok Sabha elections.
Now I am minister. I am asking for my department, that is our department wish BJP people, since 1980 they are worshipping BJP, Sri Rama, because of elections. Thousands of years, our elders built Rama temples, thousands of temples in Karnataka. Why they built it? Not for election.
Every elections guarantees will not give any votes. So they wanted to go to some other issue. So they have taken this Ram Mandir issue. No problem. See, whether people will vote to Congress or BJP or some other party, that is not the issue. But at last, they understood the minds of the people. No?
What do you think? Will Lord Ram help the Karnataka Congress win the elections? Let us know in the comments below. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.